As mentioned earlier and yesterday also, we are expecting this fall. It has started to occur now, and it is exactly at the cusp of a very important zone. What is that important zone which I was talking to you earlier? It is this zone. This zone is of candle shunting. Wherein price will flow very smoothly, very easily in this zone. This zone that I have marked is in cream, and it has important levels. The important levels come from, if you see first, this is a tiny or a small body candle, and this is a big body candle, what we call as IC candle and MC candle. So this was one breakout which occurred, and then it went on to swing till here. So first stop is going to be at this breakout line, which is 1721,766. With all likelihood, in this breakout, because there is a body involved right up to here, it may not last long, because this low is lower than this IC candle, or what we say as a small body candle. We call this as indecision candle. In true sense, this is not an IC-MCBO, but it did provide the IC-MCBO strength. When I say IC-MC means indecision is IC and MC is momentum with a star. This provided the momentum over here. Now it is entering here at this level, and it has to decide whether it can stay up to this level and then further fall up to 21,191, which is nothing but all momentum candles providing a kind of a rotation in price. So if we don't take this support tomorrow, or due to any overnight events, and it opens gap down, we will likely see from 21,761 to 21,530. And maybe later on, as progresses, 21,191. Now, it could happen in 2 or 3 days, and it may happen by next week also. Means by Monday or by Friday. So, this is likely to happen if there is no pause here at this moment. If price doesn't stop here at 21,766, then we will fall further. Or if it gets a support here, it will start to move up again further up. In moving up further, there will be various resistances, and one of the most important resistances is 21,123, 22,123, 22,123, and again this was 22,123. The 22,123 on Nifty spot for crossing is a very important resistance for upside, and later on maybe at this level also. Now this is as far as the intraday movement is concerned. As I have said, there are two charts we should always look into. One is the candlestick, which gives the intraday working, that is the high and low that can be achieved on a particular day. But when it comes to closing, and closing is required to make a call on overnight trades, whether you should keep your trade overnight or not. And here you will see, this is the line chart which I have shown earlier, and I've seen this earlier. here you should master a little bit of higher high, higher low. This is higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. And every higher high like this one also provides a kind of support line like I have shown here, 71.21, 737. So this also is a support line. And then whenever there is a gap between a higher high and higher low, which is this particular gap, which begins at 21,522, also provides a support for closing. It may run up till here also. You can see these lines, thin lines, which are nothing but the high lows of the candlestick charts. That means this point corresponds to this point. Okay. So the idea of having these lines so that you know as to what the high lows of this line charts are. Now here as it shows, we are going to have one support at 522. It may occur in just one day also, or it may occur in parts. In the wave, we have seen that there is a fall, and in the fall again, there is a gap between lower low and this lower high. Now this is the no overlap zone of the fall. This no overlap zone, which I had shown, was of the rise from year to year. But of the fall, this is the no overlap zone. Meaning now again, when it will start to climb, this is going to be the first resistance on closing basis. Then this 22,332. So this close which is there now becomes very, very important. That is 22,146. Yesterday, we were at this point and I said there is a likelihood that we might touch here, but all this did not happen and there was a downside momentum, right? As you can see here, downside momentum, and the fall will continue. You must make money here. And do tell me, do write to me if you have made the money. Thank you for today. See you tomorrow.
You were born here.